So in Kajabi, there is a great way to encourage more sales of your products amongst your existing members and your existing students. Do you know what it is? In today's video, I want to show you how to place some of your offers within the library page that your clients and your students have access to, where all of their products are displayed. If you currently don't have Kajabi, go to michaelgoms.com/Kajabi and sign up for a free 30-day trial, which is my gift to you. That is double the 14-day free trial that Kajabi offers. You'll also get access to my free Kajabi Kickstart course to help you get started within those 30 days to help you get up and running. You'll get my free 30 Days to Profit ebook, which is designed to be a companion to the Kajabi Kickstart course to not only help you get set up with Kajabi, but also I share a lot of my strategies and tips for actually making money online in your first 30 days. And you'll get a free 45-minute phone call with me to help you get started. If you already have Kajabi, I just want to give you a heads up that I do have a Master Kajabi paid course that will be launching soon. If you go to michaelgoms.com/Master Kajabi, you can sign up for the waitlist and you'll be notified as soon as we go live. Real quick before we get started, I just want to mention that if you don't have Kajabi yet, or you haven't really seen what Kajabi can do for your business, I recommend checking out my full Kajabi review video that I did recently. I'm going to link to the video in the cards above right now and at the end of this video. So check that out. I recommend watching it when you get a chance. So what I'm going to do today is quickly show you how to add your offers to your students' library so that you're able to cross-sell your products. So here I am on my website design homepage. We're going to come over here to the left-hand side and choose pages, which is going to take us to the list of all of our pages currently on our website. And as you can see here at the top, we have a page labeled library. The thing about the library page on your site is that it's unique to everybody and all of your members because it only contains the products and the things that they have purchased from you or that you've granted them access to, and they'll only be able to gain access to those products on that library page once they're logged in. So it's going to be a very unique experience for each student or each client that logs in. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little customize button right here, and we're going to access the library page. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to access the page. This is one current way, and here's my library page. So this is what all my clients and my students are going to see. I want to show you another way to access it as well. So this is my main website page, and this is obviously the Kajabi page builder. If you haven't seen the Kajabi page builder, this is what it looks like. At the top here, there's a drop-down menu. So if you're in there editing one of your system pages, like your blog or your home page, all you have to do is click on this drop-down, and you can access the library page from here as well. So this is my current library page that my students and my clients have access to. Now, if you're not sure what offers are, I recently did a video on how to create offers and what they are. I'm going to link in the cards above right now to that video so you can check it out. So essentially, offers are price tags that you're putting on all of your digital products. And what's great about cross-selling within your library pages is basically like advertising all your products within a library page that maybe a client or a student hasn't yet purchased, they haven't gained access to it. And so you can display those products here in your library page so that they can either purchase, maybe you can display discounts, maybe there's a deal coming up. It's a way to promote those products because it really does cost more to acquire a new customer than it does to keep a current customer. So it's much easier and profitable to sell to a client or a customer that you already have in your pipeline, because they're already in here and they already love your products and they're logging in hopefully every day, working on your courses or in your membership. Now, one thing you'll notice about customizing this library page is that it looks like the page builder on all the other pages. And that is what I love about Kajabi, is because the page builder is the same no matter what page you are on. And so you really only have to learn one page builder. Now, if you're new to Kajabi and you want to learn more about the page builder, I'm going to link to another video in the cards right now above. I talk about a lot about the page builder on my YouTube channel, and I go from basically basic to more advanced page builder videos. And so check those videos out when you have a moment. So let's just start right here in the dashboard. So this is, again, as you can see, is my library page dashboard. I've labeled it my products. This is what my clients are going to see when they log in. These are going to be the courses or the programs or whatever that they have access to. Their products is where they can get access to them. Over here on the left-hand side, this is your page builder. As you can see here, I've got a hero image and a link list image that are hidden. If I want to unhide and I want to show this, this is what the hero image looks like, but I'm not really using it right now, so I'm just hiding that. So going down the left-hand side, you've got your header settings. You've got all the sections that you add to this page. What I love about this is that I can actually customize the experience for my students by using the page builder to add different sections. So I can click on add section, and it's just like you can on any other web page. So you have access to all of the widgets, all of the sections that you can add to your library page. Here's social. You can even feature some of your blog posts. Let's click on this. So you can even add some of your latest blog posts within the library section. So it's kind of a way, if you've got people, again, logging in already, it's a great way to promote pretty much anything. Here you can add testimonials, you can add FAQs. Now, one thing that I want to mention is that when you're adding these sections to this page, it's only going to update on this page, obviously, because you're designing the library page. But if you change other settings, such as header settings or footer settings, or you change colors or fonts or anything like that, keep in mind that, like I showed you on the previous page, that this page is part of your system pages on your website. So if you change anything on the header, it's going to universally change across your entire site. So keep that in mind. But anything you change on this page will be specifically for this page. Like if you change the background color, or you add any sections, if you add any audio, anything like that, it's only going to be on this page. But again, any of the settings you change are going to change across your entire site. So keep that in mind. So real quick, as I showed you on this left-hand side under offers and pricings, you can see these are the different offer widgets or sections, whatever you want to call them, that you can add to this page canvas. So I'm going to click on this one, a single offer. And as you can see here, it displayed some text and a box where we're going to display our offer. So when I click on that offer, this is only displaying it on the page here temporarily, so I kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. To add it to my actual page, I have to click the button that says add over here on the left-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There we go. It's been added to our canvas. But we're going to come back to this one in a second. I'm going to go ahead and add an offer storefront. So if we hit the back button and we go back to add section, we're going to scroll down to our offers again. And here is our offer storefront. So by clicking on this button, we get a preview down here of our offer storefront and what it's going to look like. Right now, we haven't done anything to it. We haven't customized it. First, we need to add it to our canvas. So I'm going to click the add button again. And here's our widget for customization. So as you can see here, we can customize the text just by clicking on it. And then you see over here on the left-hand side, you can change the text here for whatever you want to display. Let's say we want to label it maybe like special monthly deals. Okay. And I'm actually going to put that as a heading 1, so it's a little bit bigger. There we go, special monthly deals. So again, you can see how you're going to promote this in here. Now to have one of your offers displayed, all you have to do is click on one of these boxes. And as you can see here over on the left-hand side, we can change the width and size of the offer. But first, let's select the offer. So under the drop-down under offer, this is where it's going to display all the offers that you've already created. And again, if you want to check out that video that I did a couple of weeks ago about how to create an offer, check that video out. It'll show you how to walk through that. But like I said, essentially the offers are different than the products. Okay, the offers are the price tags that you're assigning to the products. And what I said in that video was that you can create as many offers as you would like, because you can have different offers, multiple offers for the same product, maybe different price points. Maybe you want to bundle a product like a course with a membership, or, you know, there's all sorts of different options that you can do. So I think the one that we'll use here as an example is I'll do my private one-on-one paid monthly coaching. So if I click on this and I select it in the offer dropdown, as you can see here, it's appeared in our offer storefront section. So now if I save this and when people log in, they'll see this as a special monthly deal. Maybe I can offer a special price. I can promote it differently. This is an example of where like my coaching is this cost, but if I wanted to run a special or a deal, I would just set up another offer for this exact same product. And that's what I would display down here. Maybe I design it with like a little, maybe I design an image that has like a little tag on it that says for sale, maybe using Canva or PicMonkey or something like that. Now I want to show you a really important setting, and this works for all of the widgets. If over here on the left-hand side, if you choose don't show if currently owned, I love that setting. It's so simple, but yet it allows you to set up your library page and make it kind of evergreen. So once you've kind of set it up and you've designed, okay, this is what I want to be displayed here. This is what I want to go here for my clients. When they log in, they're going to see what you've designed. But if they already own some of these products and they already appear up here under their products, they're not going to see the deal, or they're not going to see the offer or whatever it is, because they already own it. And it also helps so that you don't really have to keep track of it. If you don't know who has or whom of your students have purchased what products, you don't have to worry about it. You just set it and forget it, and it'll auto-populate the products that those people haven't purchased yet. Now to customize this offer storefront here, it works just like the page builder. Like I said, if you want to change the background, we're just going to click on the background. We're going to come over here to the left-hand side, choose background. Maybe we just want to do a color. So let's come down here to background color and let's choose like yellow maybe. There we go. I'm just doing this to exaggerate it. This to me doesn't look very good, but I'm just doing this to exaggerate it a little bit so that you guys can see. If you want to make these boxes stand out a little bit, again, you can select this box right here, go to background, And then you can even do like a box shadow. Right now we've got a medium. Let's turn it to large. And then you can kind of see the box shadow. So it kind of stands out, in 3D a little bit. So you can customize this section just like you can the rest of the page, and just like you can every other page on your website. It's completely customizable, and I love that about Kajabi. So now I want to talk to you about this section that we left right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back so you can see it on the left-hand side. This is our single offer right here. I'm going to click and drag just like the page builder. I'm going to drag it more up near the top. So let's say now this offer really is a promotion. We really want to feature this offer, and maybe it's a new course coming up. Maybe it's a waitlist page, something like that. We really want to promote this product, this service. Maybe you got a new coaching program, something like that. So we want to put it up near the top. So they'll have access to their products down here. Obviously, we can label this whatever we want. We can put text here, but this text could just be the description of the product. We could actually put another text up here as our header if we wanted to. So many different options. I'm actually going to click on this text right here, this block. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to shrink this down a little bit. Let's maybe go to 6. Okay. Now we want to display our offer here. So again, I'm going to hover over till this blue box on the block shows up. I'm going to click on this and we're going to choose our offer. I think this time I'm just going to choose my free Kajabi Kickstart course. This is the Kajabi course that I give. When you sign up for Kajabi through my link at michaelgoms.com/Kajabi, you instantly get access to this Kajabi Kickstart course. As you can see, it's right down here. And so I can promote this. I can even, it says free here, but I can also label this like new course coming up or get on the wait list. I can have a promotional graphic. Obviously I can write whatever I want over here. I can even add, if I click on this, I can scroll down here on the left-hand side. I can add a call to action simply by checking this checkbox. There you go. There's a call to action. And so see, I can feature this offer at the very top of my library page. And I think that's really cool because it just gives you so much flexibility as to what you want to do and how you want to market your products to your existing client base. Well, my friends, that's it. It's very simple to add offers to your library page. Comment below and let me know, what is your biggest takeaway from this video, or what are you most excited about doing with this newfound knowledge of how to add offers to your library page? What are you most excited about? And if you got any value from this, please like this video and send it to anybody who might also be able to benefit from it. And I also invite you to subscribe to my channel because we talk a lot about not only Kajabi, but anything online marketing and running an online business. So we will see you guys in the next video.